Hello! In this video I will show you how to hard reset your device to recovery mode on Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time. And now you have to select the clear data option and then select factory reset. And now you have to type in the word yes and click factory reset. Then click factory reset again. And your reset has been successful, so you can now select back and then click restart. And as you can see, my phone is now back to its factory settings and I have to do phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.